If you want to cancel a Google Calendar subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Google Calendar. Launch your web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. Sign into your Google account if you are not already logged in. Step 2. Locate the calendar. In the left sidebar, find the My Calendar section. Look for the calendar you wish to unsubscribe from. If it has a subscribed calendar, it will be listed under Other Calendars. Step 3. Access calendar settings. Hover over the calendar name you want to cancel. Click on the 3 vertical dots that appear next to it, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Remove the calendar. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the option that says Remove Calendar. Click on it, then choose Delete to unsubscribe from the calendar. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the calendar. Confirm your choice, and the calendar will be removed from your Google Calendar account. By following these steps, you can easily cancel any unwanted Google Calendar subscriptions. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore Google as help resources.